Welcome to our video ÜManagement platform. We would like to show you our ÜManagement software platform based on an example what is our office building in our Südmetall headquarter Einring. We have prepared 3 different configurations. One is our ÜLog in combination with a ball reader that will be taken for the meeting room here. The office doors will be fitted with our new innovation ÜLog Novus. ÜLog Novus means that the RFID rosette contains the RFID reader and the complete electronic is in the lock. The main entrance doors will be fitted with an electronic cylinder. Here is a multi-point lock and therefore the cylinder is the most efficient solution. So, first I would like to explain the mechanic characteristic of the ÜLog. ÜLog means that there is a self-locking function, that means the door is locked as soon as the door is closed. From inside there is a FANIC function, that means I can get out anytime. Outside the lever handle is disengaged, so I cannot get out. There is a key available, that means in case of however you need a mechanical unlocking, you may turn the key, keep it, turn, and then you may unlock, activate the lever handle anyway. So the mechanical function is exactly the same with our ÜLog Novus or the normal ÜLog. Coming to the energy power lamp. There are 2 options. First of all is battery operating. That means this lock is battery operated. So with 2 pieces of AAA batteries, I will insert the batteries now. So that's it. And here is a cover what I can put on it to protect the batteries. The next option is inductive energy. This is this one. The inductive charging unit is here installed in the frame. It is part of the frame now. As soon as I close the door, the energy will be transferred into the lock. So, and make sure that the lock works without any interruptions. The advantage is here that you don't need to change battery function is anyway there, but you don't need to cable the door anyway. So both solutions are available with battery operating or with inductivity. Okay, so far the mechanical function. Now we will configure these doors with our software ÜManagement. I have already prepared a bit. That means I have already inserted the doors. First thing is that we need to configure the doors. So we will start with the meeting room. You can see everything is already prepared. That means here the reader is already chosen. So all I have to do is to create an initialization card. What is done now? Init card is created. Now I have to go with this card. It is a normal Mifare card, by the way. I have to go to the door, position the card next to the reader, and now the configuration is already done. So I have chosen that the backlight is permanent on, so it is to be chosen in the software. Now I have to get back to the computer, line the card onto the reader, and configuring the next door, what is the office door security system. So again, I'm configuring now the initialization card. I have to go back to the door, hold the card next to the reader, and that's it already. And last is the main entrance door, our ÜLinda. Again, I need to create an initialization card. Already done. I go back to the door, hold the card next to the reader. The reader gives an information that configuration is done. So that was the most important. All what we have to do is now to add a card holder. I have now as an example Anna. Anna is new in our company Südmetall. She needs access to the main entrance door, to her office door, and she needs access to the meeting rooms. So first of all, we need to create a card. So I need to lay again her transponder on the programming unit. So now I need to add this card. What is now? The UID number is transferred to the software and saved there. That means later on, if there are many users inserted, the software can sort them via the UID number. Now I need to choose the different rights. It means valid from to. Time zone is not created, so it is always, by the way. I can select the corner of the transponder, what is blue in that case. Many other options to choose. So, and now I need to give her the rights. That means she needs access to the entrance doors, meeting room, and to her office, what is sales department security systems. Now I need to issue the card. That means now I have written the rights of Anna onto the card. Card is created, and now we will try out. That means Anna first of all comes to the main entrance door. She's able to unlock the main entrance. Now it is disengaged again. She comes to the office. She's able to unlock the door to her office. Okay, the short-term unlocking configured. That means after using it is disengaged again. And Anna is allowed to use the meeting room. So you may heard it chip next to the card. So, and then she is able to enter the meeting room. Okay, and that's it so far. There are many more features available in this software. If you need more information, please feel free to contact us. We will help you with everything you need. It would be too long to show all of the options what the software offers. I hope it was interesting for you. See you next time. Thank you very much.